Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I have the most beautiful, stunning collection from Madam Glam. I absolutely love it. It's Madam Glam's new metallic collection, and there is 14 metallic colors in this collection, and honestly, they are absolutely stunning. You will see as I go through them. So I'm going to be sharing them with you. I will tell you the steps in order to apply first of all, and to start with, as you can see, it's a metallic base coat. So this base coat I could apply over my builder hard gels, over my acrylic, or on the natural nail after it has been prepped. And so I apply a thin coat of that. And then once I get that on, it'll cure for 30 seconds in my combination lamp. So the next step, once that is cured, the base coat that is, I apply the metallic silver base. And as you can see, it's a beautiful silver. So I apply a very thin layer of it, and then I wait 15 to 30 seconds once I've got it on, because you want it to turn into that mirrored surface. And I'll show you here right away what it looks like. And then once it looks like that, it cures for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to show you the very first color, and this one is Day Off. So this one, of course, is a purple. And once you apply it on that cured silver base, it instantly is just beautiful. Look at how that metallic comes out from having that silver base below. There's no way of messing this up. It just looks stunning once it's applied. And now I can cure that for 30 seconds, and you only need one thin coat of the color, which is really nice. So this is the next one I'm going to be sharing with you, and it's called Oh Snap. It's a really pretty turquoisey green. And again, it's that wow once you apply it on that silver base. Of course, all of them are applied on that silver base. So this one is called Ruby Red, and a really gorgeous red. This would be such a nice one at Christmas time or any time of the year for that matter. It is absolutely, again, stunning. So it'll go on in a thin layer again, and it'll cure for 30 seconds. So as you guys know, one of my favorite colors is pink, and this is absolutely beautiful. It's called Pink Machine. Keep watching the video because I will be doing a nail design on my own nails using one of these metallic colors. Look at that, it's just gorgeous. So the next one I'll be swatching is called Hold My Wine, and it's a really nice deep wine color. Again, very nice. So the next one is a really deep purple, and it is called Iron Woman. And when it goes on that silver base, again, it's kind of that wow. So this is another really nice pink color in the collection. It's called Pink Pearls. It's a little bit softer, very pretty. You would never know it was going to be that light by looking at the brush, but it is a really nice softer pink. So they have a gold in this collection, and it is called Crown. Again, a really nice shade. So I had said that my favorite color is pink, but also another favorite color of mine is blue. And this one is called Girl Boss, and it is beautiful. I love this blue. Look how nice it is when it's applied to the silver base. It is just gorgeous. So this one I'd have to explain as, say, more of an orangey red. It is such a nice color. It's called Breathing Fire. I really liked this one when it was applied as well. So one of the greens in this collection is called Pay Up, and it's a little bit darker green. This one's a really unique shade and it's called Starfire. When I applied it to that silver base, I instantly loved it. I think I did because it's so unique and just so pretty. So this is the last one I'll be sharing with you in this collection, and it's called Tin Green. It's a nice lighter green. Well, you guys, I would love to hear which ones are your favorite. Honestly, it's so hard to pick. This collection is absolutely amazing. I am loving it. I know my clients are going to be wanting to use all these different colors. The possibilities are endless with designs with these. They're just beautiful. And I'm just going to be sharing now my nails with you. So keep watching. Make sure you guys use my 30% off code that you see up on the screen, but you must follow the link down in the description in order to use it. And I really want to say thank you to Madam Glam for sending me all of these metallic polishes to share with you guys. They honestly are the best company, the best customer service, all around just really the nicest people to deal with. So thank you, Madam Glam. So if you guys want to keep watching, I'm going to get started on my nail design. So of course, when I use the metallic polishes, like you saw in the beginning, you have to apply the metallic base. So I'm going to do that on 3 of the nails. And before I cure it, I'm going to put the base on all 3, and then it'll cure for 30 seconds. So now that that base cured, I'm taking that silver metallic base and I'm going to cover all the nails, and you want a really thin layer, and then wait 15 to 30 seconds before you cure it so it has that mirror finish. And I should have stated it when I was doing the colors, the silver base you can use as the silver itself, like you don't have to put a color on it after you cure it, and you can have a really nice mirrored finished silver on your nails as well if you're looking for that look. So once I get this on, like I said, it'll cure for 30 seconds. Okay, now that that's cured, I can take the color, and as you guys probably guessed, I chose Pink Machine. I think you guys will agree it is really a pretty color. So I'll put that on the 3 nails over that silver base, and I'll cure it for 30 seconds and just do a thin layer of the color. That's all you need. So then once those metallic nails were cured, I took my Madam Glam No Wipe top coat and I'm just going to cover them up and cure for 60 seconds. Then I decided on the 2 nails that were left, I wanted a really soft pink. So I chose Madam Glam's Baby Pink. So you'll see me doing 2 coats of the baby pink on those nails, and then I'll be using some transfer foil after those are cured. So once that baby pink was cured, I'm going to grab my transfer foil glue and I'm just going to wipe the nails first with some isopropyl alcohol just to make sure they don't have that sticky inhibition layer. Then I'm going to take that glue and just apply a really thin layer. And once that glue appears clear, then I know I can add the transfer foil to these nails. So this is the floral transfer foil I chose, and I will have that link down in the description because I know some of you guys are going to want to know where I got it from. So anyways, I take a silicone brush and I'm just making sure and pushing that down really well and rubbing it onto that nail so that foil transfers nicely. And once I think I've got it pushed down enough, then I'll pull off the foil and see if it's stuck well enough. So once I was done with the transfer foil, I'm taking a matte top coat and I'm going to cover up those floral nails. I decided I wanted them to be matted, and that'll cure for 60 seconds. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I love all the metallic colors. I'm sure you guys will too. I love how my nails turned out. I've had them on a day now and lots of compliments. So thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.